Microwave cheese nachos. Food items: tortilla chips, shredded cheddar cheese, salsa, items: 1 dinner plate, 2 tablespoons, not measuring spoons, oven mitt, and microwave. Directions: place 2 small handfuls of tortilla chips on a dinner plate and spread them out. 1, 2, 2. Using one of the spoons, sprinkle shredded cheddar cheese over the chips. 3. Using the other spoon, scoop and spread salsa over the chips and cheese. 4. Place the plate in the microwave. Set the microwave for 30 seconds. 3, 0, start. Timer goes off. Use the oven mitt to remove the plate from the microwave. Clean up from your cooking project. Enjoy your microwave cheese nachos.